Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial full hydraulic Panbrake 2504. This is our standard model that has a standard protractor type angle setting on the side of the machine. This particular model comes in a 1304, which is 1300 long by 4mm up to a 4m by 4mm. Our 2504 is one of our most popular models, heavy duty steel welded frame. We've got hardened ground fingers. It has extended the angle line on the front of the folding beam. The head is also adjustable back and forth for material thicknesses. Also the front folding apron is also adjustable up and down for thicknesses as well. So it's the true traditional Australian design handbrake that's been sold throughout the industry for over 30 years. So we'll run through some of the other features. Basically you've got manual and auto. On the control console you've also got clamp and release. You see the red button that's come on. I've actually broken the safety beam, so that's actually come on. And you've also got up and down. On the foot pedal here, you've got clamp and release and also automatic folding. So I'll just jump over here and we'll run through some of the features. We'll put it on manual first of all, so we can actually go release, clamp, which is manually as well, and we can actually go up and down manually. So we've got full control in a manual operation. We can then put that into automatic mode. So that's in automatic. So once you've chosen your angle that you want to go to, which is positioned just over here. A lot of customers like using our standard manual angle setting because you simply just move that angle to the desired protractor setting there, and that's where the fold goes to. So that's a nice, easy, the old KISS theory, keep it simple, silly. A lot of guys like using that because it's very reliable. So we'll come back over here and we'll just do a basic fold. The machine's running at the moment, as you can hear, low noise hydraulics, very, very quiet. So we'll just basically press start. So that's in automatic, and that should come up and fold by itself. So it's a full length 2.5 by 4mm mild steel, 2mm stainless steel, thicker than aluminium, but as you can see there, nice heavy duty steel body. We've had these within the industry for the last 15-20 years, very reliable. And as I sort of said, we sell these up to 4 metres long, which the architectural cladding and the commercial cabling guys love to use. Around the back of the machine here, we've got we've got a rack and pinion back gauge here, so that's all calibrated. So simply wind that out, nice and easy in operation there. You've got 4 fingers, and that's basically set along the folding length. So you wind that in there to the calibrated setting here, as you can see, and lock that up and start folding your material. Low noise hydraulics, everything's been professionally built, heavy duty, built for B2B everyday use. So jump on assetplant.com.au and find our range of metalwork machinery. Thanks and have a great day.